Oh, hi guys. Today we're gonna make a craft from cardboard.
Wait! Aren't we making Barbie dresses?
Oh, Sammy, we've discussed this. Check out the schedule.
Whoopsie. Guess I read it upside down, huh?
Well, what craft should we pick then?
Yeah, it's a very tough choice.
Oh, Sammy, you're being too obvious.
What? I did nothing, like, at all.
Okay, you win. Guys, we're starting all over again.
You didn't see anything. I'll take care of that.
Guys, check out this amazing fabric. The head of our fashion house will be very pleased.
Oh, magnifique! Excellent! Who did such amazing sketches?
Why, you did, Mastro. Where can I put on my new dress?
Have patience, miss. We take care of your measurements first.
Sammy, are you sure we need all those measures?
Absolutely. Here, look at my notes and make patterns for the bodysuit.
Yes, boss. Okay, guys, let's see what we've got here. When paper patterns are ready, just cut them off. Huh? I'm just gonna borrow this for a sec.
Hey! Oh, my precious. Soon you'll become a beautiful dress and fulfill your purpose.
Hey, are you talking to fabric?
Yep. Whoa, wow! Not so fast!
Next, we'll place a finished pattern on a piece of fabric. Hold them tightly together. Then we'll take scissors and cut out the outline.
You're doing great! Be careful on that turn!
While you were nagging, I've already finished. How does it look?
Not bad, Susie. But I need to check it on my model first. Give me that.
You know what to do, guys. Just repeat the same steps with other patterns that we've made.
Aha! I think it's time to call for Magic Song!
Huh? Who's that?
Oh, I'll show you! Whoa! This is Magic Saw. You know her pretty well.
Oh yeah, we're well acquainted. So we have a lot of work to do.
Well, you know, I founded this fashion house all by myself. Whoa! I didn't order any flying fabric!
It's a sign to get back to the craft, Sammy. Guys, this is the end of the first step. Ask an adult to help you with sewing machine and you'll get such a cute bodysuit.
Susan, take care for her fitting. I just caught her stealing snacks from the kitchen.
Well, like designer, like model.
Excuse me, I don't get your references.
The bodysuit fits perfectly, so we can attach Velcro to secure it. Adults should help you on this stage. The needles are pretty cunning.
Every princess has fallen by their curse. So supervision is a...
Hey, Sleeping Beauty, did you prepare fabrics for the sleeves?
Why? I asked fairy godmothers to do that!
Oh wow, what would we do without those magic creatures? We're making big wavy sleeves, so we'll place a fabric strip under a presser tool.
And make neat small folds! They look so cute!
Guys, you can check it out. One piece is ready. Now we'll wrap it around a bodysuit sleeve and sew it up.
Going further and further up the sleeve. And finally you'll get... Well, this won't do, Sue. Take it back.
A dress with only one sleeve. Who'd like that? Huh? What do you say now? You definitely should check Naughty's fashion, Sammy.
Guys, Sam's fashion is timeless, so stay tuned to learn all its trends.
Guys, we've made additional ruffles to decorate the back and the front too.
Susan, you know what? We're like a big ruffles.
Just what we need to make a... to make a magnificent lawn skirt. Let's sew a ruffle to the base and add more puffy layers.
So are you ready to try on your new outfit? It'll be ready soon!
Sam, while you were talking there, I made this. Look! When the skirt is ready, sew its ends to the bodysuit. Here and here. It'll look like a dress train.
Use the sequins to finish up the dress! Woohoo! It'll look awesome!
And our Barbie starts her first fashion runway. Miss, please, Maestro is very busy.
New customer? Alright. Luckily, I have something for you. Take it for free. We're kind today.
Wow, so pretentious. Let's see what our designer creates this time. Whoosh! Oh, my fata, it's a cute ducky!
Pull yourself together.
Okay. Looks kind of plain to me.
Okay, and how about now? Say it's good, Susan. Say it.
Of course it is. Let's see what we can do with it. If we sew them together, it'll look much better. But where's the front side of the dress?
Oh, buy the mozzarella, Susie. Are you looking for something?
Yep, you have it actually, thanks. Magic Saw, I need your help.
Aw, she's such a tight sleeper. Cute, but work cannot wait.
Remember that we should make stitches on the inner side of the fabric. It's fitting time! Barbie number 2, your turn.
Well, how is it? What about the size? Did you fit in?
I'm ready.
Holy cannoli! You look amazing! 70% of perfection!
Huh? What? Only 70? What's wrong?
Nothing, just the dress isn't finished yet. We'll make it rainbowy!
Guys, get ready for a color splash. We'll make new ruffles of all shades. Now let's sew everything up. You can ask an adult to help you with the sewing machine or make all of the stitches manually.
After that, I'll make the rainbow dress sparkle! Can't wait!
The sequins look so good on you too. You should start a new trend among slimes.
Right! Then I'll keep some sequins for myself, just in case. Hush, my darling. Your fairy slime came to rescue you from that mischievous Sam, Sparkus Apiricus. Oh, this silly magic wand. Still looks like you have to do it by yourself.
Oh well, okay. Oh, thanks, Fairy Slime. Let me save you too.
Oh, thanks, Susan. Just throw that thing away.
But it'll be such a waste. Instead, we can use it for a rainbow train. A few magic stitches plus another piece of shiny fabric and the train is done.
Susie, I can't decide which belt is better. They're so different. Oh!
Oh, Tibidaba, they look similar to me. But I like the red one a bit more. What do you think, guys?
Sue, are you done there? I can't wait to see her. Wait! We need to make a small presentation. Extras on the scene. What a show! Miss, how are you feeling? Huh? Celebrities. Ouch! Shiver me cheddars. Susie, looks like we have a candidate for a third transformation.
Oh, guys, do you want to see that process? Then stay tuned. Apparently, a modern Cinderella came to ask for help.
I found the shoes of the right size. All we need is the right dress.
The easiest part. Anyway, with these patterns, we'll send our princess to the ball today. First, we'll cut out the pieces for the top. We'll use different kinds of fabric for it.
You're gonna look amazing. Trust me, slime designers are flawless.
The first piece is ready. Let's prepare the others in the same way. Tulle fabric creates a soft blending effect, so let's add one layer to the top. And then sew the pieces together. You may need assistance here.
Susie, should I help you too? Huh?
Well, if you find a zipper, that'll be great. Thanks, Sammy. Guys, repeat the same steps with other pieces of the top. Follow my lead.
Well, we've already made a dress with zipper once. Let's work with Velcro this time.
Ah, creative decisions. I like it. We'll place Velcro right here. There we go, nothing complicated about it. And secure it with a few stitches, like this. How about a skirt, Sammy?
I have one!
Wow, looks like it's gonna be a big puddle skirt, like for a real ball.
All we need to do is attach a waistband in order to shape it.
Thank you. Guys, you may ask an adult to help you here, as always.
Well, is it ready?
Let's see. Whoops, we accidentally hit our model behind.
You have to fold it in half, Susie.
My bad. Okay, this'll do then. Now it looks right, huh? Let's put the skirt and the top together with an inner seam.
Where is my princess? We have a date to come.
Wow, Sammy, I haven't known that you're royal blood.
Of course I am. But it's just for tonight. Oh, the princess went MIA all of a sudden.
She looks so weird. I mean, the dress is great, but the hairdo…
See, I haven't finished yet. Susie, play for time.
Then we can add one more detail, guys. The sleeves. Whoosh! One more. And here's the result.
Oh, I can't finish it and the ball is so soon! Huh?
Maybe someone magical can help us.
You're right! Fairy slime will save the day! Bibbidi bobbidi subscribity!
Let's have a look at all of the 3 beautiful dresses for our slimy fashion house.
It was such a long day. Did you like the dresses, guys? Which one was the best? With pink ruffles, a rainbow splash, or a new age Cinderella? Give us a thumbs up!
Oh, where did he go? Sammy!
Holy cannoli, did you swim in paint?
Sammy, where have you been? I can't make a proper craft without you.
I guess I have to go. It's an emergency.
And the next dress will be for me. Bye, guys!
Hit the bell button and we'll defo see you in the next video. Cheerio!